Alright guys, I'm back. The mattress is completely done. I put it with plastic to protect it from any dust, dirt, outside and everything, because I'm going to be putting it back up. But I just want to show you that that's all you have to do is to keep it nice and clean. The way I showed you how to clean it and everything. And after that, just put the plastic on top to keep it nice and clean for now until you put it in your bedroom, in your spare room and everything like that. So that's what it looks so far. I'm working on other projects too. I'm just having the mattress here and the box spring covered for now. Those are the ones I already cleaned. So those are my projects, and I'll see everyone later, and we're going to be doing a DIY and cleaning a sofa tomorrow. Alright? I'll see everyone later. Thanks for watching my channel, and thank you for subscribing. Bye.